If you eat avocado every day, what happens to your body? It's a secret your doctor never wants to tell you. First, eliminate fat and control blood sugar, because the healthy fats and fiber in avocados will keep you feeling full all the time, while stabilizing blood sugar levels and helping to control appetite. The lutein in avocados helps protect the skin from UV damage and prevent age-related macular degeneration. Not only is this food good for your health, it will also make your heart feel good, as healthy fats and avocados help keep your cardiovascular system healthy and lower LDL cholesterol levels, thus reducing your risk of heart disease. But the benefits don't stop there. Along with avocados' intake of omega-3 fatty acids, it improves memory and attention by boosting blood flow to the brain. Developing this habit helps maintain a healthy digestive system and reduces inflammation in the body, thereby reducing the risk of disease.